Hello friends, I am Aditya and you are watching Germanclass. Today we learn the modal verb with the sentence making. In the last video you have seen the modal verb with the meanings and today we learn modal verb with the meanings, with the sentences actually, and I will write the conjugation of the modal verbs and then we'll see the sentences. You know, modals are very important in German. If you want to improve speaking as well as writing skills, you must know the modal verbs. So I am writing here, first modal verb is Kyonan, means to can, and I am writing here subjects ish, do, er, z, and s, wir, and then we have ear, and this is our capital Z. It is also like wir. So first we'll see the meaning. The Kyonan means to can. When we talk about the ability, okay, your ability, your capacity of doing something, capacity, okay, we use the modal verb Kyonan. So if you say ish, it is kan. Ish kan, do canst, you can. Similarly, RCS can. So remember with modal verb, first person and third person are same. Okay, first person and third person are same in all the modal verbs. Then we have wir. Wir means we, and here is kyonan, and ear means kyont with umlaut. So these are different subjects. You can say I, ish is I, then you, then this is he, she, and it. This is we, and it is you formal, and this is you all. So these are different subject, and this is the proper conjugation. So if you want to say I can, you will say ish can. You can, do canst. He or she can, er can, or z can. We can, we are kyonan, and you all can, ear kyont. This is the correct uses of modal verb. You must know how to use them, and it is very important that you know how to use the modal verb. Okay. Now we'll see another modal verb. Okay. This is called Myosten. Myosten means would like. Myosten means would like. So with ish, it is myoste, e ending. You can see this is e ending. And do myostest. Do myostest. You would like. And he and she also myoste. Okay, myoste. And we are myostan. Ear, myostat. So this is our conjugation of modal verb. I hope you have understood this, and you can also make note. You can note down in your notebook so that you can practice later on without any difficulty. So myostan means would like. If you say I would like, ish myoste. Further you can say ish myoste kafe trinken, ish myoste milch trinken, or ish myoste Deutsch lernen. So these are all sentences with the verb myosten. Now come to the next modal verb. It is called sollen. Sollen means should. When you give suggestion, somebody, when you give advice. So if you say I should, then ish soll. Ish soll. Du sollst. Du sollst. And he, she, soll. As I said, first person and third person same with sollen as well as myosten. Means conjugation is absolutely same, only with the modal verb cases. Wir sollen means we should, and ihr sollt. Ihr sollt. So this is our conjugation of sollen with modal verb. Alright, so kyonan, myosten, and sollen. Now we'll write some other modal verbs. So just for a moment. Next is dürfen, and then we'll see müssen. Dürfen and müssen. Meaning of all the modal verbs we have already done in the previous video. If you have not seen, so please you can go to the link given in the description and watch once again. Now we'll see dürfen. Dürfen means may. When you give permission, like you say I may do this. Ish. So in German we'll say darf. In German we say darf. Ich darf, and then du darfst, okay, and then he or she darf, er darf, okay, and sie darf. Wir dürfen. So you have to learn this conjugation if you want to make correct sentences. And here is dürft. So this is modal verb dürfen, means may. When you give permission or when you take permission from somebody, like very simple sentence we say, may I come inside, may I go here, there, may I play here, may I smoke here. So all these sentences we make with the dürfen. Here also first person and third person are same. I am again telling you modal verb case first and third person conjugations are same. Now we'll see another modal verb. It is called müssen. Müssen means must. Something which is must for you. Like we say I must. So ich muss. Du musst. You must. Okay, only T. And RZ third person is again same. And wir also müssen. And hier müsst. So this is our conjugation of the modal verb müssen. It means must. So here also you can see first person and third person conjugations are same. We'll see also with the help of sentences after writing these conjugations. Now we will come to the next modal verb. It is called wollen. Wollen and the müssten are almost same. It means to desire, to express your wish. So ich will. Remember, ich will means I want, and du willst. It is not English will, future tense. It is want. This is a very common error. We are wollen. So you can see the conjugation is quite different. Okay. So again in this case, first person and third person conjugations are same. So this is called wollen. And now we come to our next and the last modal verb, which is called mögen. O umlaut. Mögen means to like. Ich mag. I like. Du magst. St. Do you like. Mag. Again third person. And wir mögen. We like. And here wollt. Here mögt. This is our mögen conjugation. And here also first person and third person are same. So this is the modal verb. Please note down. And we come to the sentence formation now. Now we'll see the sentence making. Satzbilden. We say Satzbilden. Okay. Sentence formation is called Satzbilden with modal verb. I will write sentence in English and then we see in German. First sentence, I would like to play. I would like to play. Second sentence, first I will write in English. Can you come? Can you come here? Okay, this is our question. Next sentence. Tim may not play here. Tim may not play there. Here we have written so there. Next is I like dogs. I like dog. Simple. And then number 5. We should go now. We should go now. So these are 5 sentences. Now we translate in German. So first of all, we identify the modal verb. Would like here is would like. So the verb is möchte. Möchten is the modal verb that we have to use here. I just correct here. Would like. So would like is called in German möchte. So ich möchte with ich, ich möchte spielen. Ich möchte spielen. Here you see the rule. Möchten is second place, okay, and another verb last place. This is the rule. We write modal verb at second place, okay. This is modal verb, and another verb at last place. This is called infinitive. So this is the rule. We write at the last infinitive verb and modal verb second place. This is with all the modal verb. Now we see the second sentence. Can you come here? So modal verb is can, and person is you. So it is formal or informal, we do not know. So we'll see informal, do form. So with do it is kannst. You can see the table if you have written. So look at the table and then you can follow me. Kannst du hier kommen? Kannst du hier kommen? So here also you can see the modal verb is kannst, okay, and another verb I have written at the last place, which is kommen. Okay, this is my another verb. So this is the structure. If it's a question, interrogative, so kannst du, and another verb always last, which is called infinitive verb or normal verb, or you can say verb in infinitive is written at the last. It is infinitive. We will not conjugate. We conjugate only modal verb. Only modal verb is conjugated. Now come to the next sentence, number 3. Tim may not play here. May not. So may is the modal verb and Tim is the third person, he. So we can say Tim darf here nicht, negative. We write just nicht here. And what is the another verb? Play, spielen. So it is infinitive. It is infinitive. So this is our sentence. Darf second place, infinitive spielen last place. Next sentence, I like dog. So like is modal verb and I is the subject. So ich mag. Mag means like. Ich mag Hund. I like dog. Here infinitive is not required because sentence is complete. I like dog. Only modal verb. So sometimes you will see the sentence without infinitive. So that is also correct sentence. And the last sentence is we should go now. So here modal verb is should. And we is the subject. So sentence is wir sollen jetzt gehen. Wir sollen jetzt gehen. We should go now. Sollen is the modal verb, gehen is the infinitive. That's all in this video. Thanks. Bye bye.